Hi, I'm Cindy Donovan and I'm going to just save us all some time today. You don't need me to convince you that building an emailing subscriber list is hands down the most effective way to make money online today. Having website visitors that you might have otherwise lost forever excitedly subscribing to receive your automated follow-up series is gold. It's the difference between completely wasted traffic or being able to automatically warm up curious people and turn them into red-hot repeat customers who pay you over and over again. So if list building funnels are so damn good, why doesn't everyone have a collection of them at the ready so they can whip out a link for their blog, e-com store, social media page, or exit pop? Now the short answer, it's a lot of work to make a lead magnet gift, create, design, and host landing pages, thank you, confirmation, and download pages, uploading files, and writing the emails, then setting it up in your autoresponder software. Oh, and you have to keep writing emails so that when they get to the end of your sequence, they're still clicking on your links and buying your offers. It's a lot, and that's just for one. If you want to turn this into a decent income, you need funnels for different audiences or with different angles in different niches with different enticing gifts. Hard work or not, it doesn't change the fact. If you want to earn money online, you need to be building lists, which is why I want to introduce to you FunnelMates. FunnelMates is the first ever system that literally automates every single aspect of a truly profitable funnel and follow-up system. So you can build a list and make money from the get-go with virtually zero work and zero expense. And it also is the first ever done-for-you system that pays you cash to use it. So you can make money in multiple ways, all with this new breakthrough app. In just a sec, I'll show you how you can get a funnel live that delivers a gift, sends out emails with training and targeted affiliate promotions with your affiliate links already in every email, fully automated and getting traffic in just 27 seconds. But watch this demo till the end because I'm going to share a twist that won't just get leads and commissions hitting your accounts, but actual cold hard cash from FunnelMates direct to your bank account.
Start by logging in. Next, click on Settings to add your affiliate details here and save. Now click on Store. On this page, you'll see a huge selection of funnels in all kinds of niches ready to unlock. Click to unlock the funnel either for free or using the credits we give you. And there you have it. I just created a 100% working, high-converting, profit-making funnel in just 17 seconds. How cool is that? But is it really built? Let's have a look at your brand new funnel. Click on your funnels page and you'll find all of your funnels here. Here's the one we just unlocked. So let's click here to see your landing page. This couldn't be easier. Come to your promotional links button. Click here and you'll see all of the hand-picked high-converting products recommended in this funnel. Send your requests and your funnel is instantly profit ready. There's no fussing with code or having to write emails or design, post, or do anything. When someone subscribes, they'll automatically go onto the list we've set up and hosted for you. Your new subscriber will see the funnel pages with your ads and affiliate links already in place, automatically receive the lead magnet gift on your instantly activated download page, and start getting regular emails from you written by us, containing your affiliate link in each and every email. In fact, they'll continue receiving useful training and highly targeted product recommendations written by our team with your affiliate links for many years to come. But what about traffic? We've got that covered too. On your funnel link and traffic kit button, you'll find the link to your funnel and a tailored collection of one-click traffic tools you can use to get more people to your funnel. FunnelMates makes having truly done-for-you funnels easy. Earlier in the video, we got our affiliate accounts connected and our first funnel set up in 17 seconds. Let's see what we can do with the remaining 10 seconds on the clock. Now that we've got our affiliate settings in the system, these done-for-you funnels are as easy as click and done. 5 high-converting, profit-making funnels in 27 seconds. Challenge complete.
Now you can see why people are getting so excited about getting their hands on FunnelMate. You'll be able to have a funnel live with inbuilt emails already written, sending you commissions directly into your JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, Pay Kickstart, Thrivecart, Amazon, Shopify accounts, and more. But these fully managed for you lists are just the beginning. Earlier, I mentioned that there was a twist and it's a doozy. But what could possibly be better than instant, automated, list building, profit pulling funnels in any niche in a snap? Today, we're not just giving you a collection of funnels, but full access to the funnel building app, all of our templates and the complete funnel building system, plus the opportunity to sell them for cash. When you join today, you'll be given FunnelMates Cash that you can use to unlock your choice of instant funnels, access to our templated drag and drop funnel creating system, plus full license and a cashed up audience to sell the funnels that you build. It's so easy, and when someone activates one of the funnels you've made, you get paid. So you'll not only be able to make commissions by using the funnels yourself, but you'll be able to make money by selling the funnels right inside the members area. Here's exactly what you'll get inside the builder. Cloud hosted funnel templates. Select your lead capture funnel type, either standard, video, webinar, review, quiz, or social, and then choose which of those templates you'd like to use. FunnelMates will automatically install landing, thank you, confirmation, and download pages ready for you to customize. Drag and drop page builder. Editing everything is as simple as clicking to open the settings and changing it however you like. Or if you don't want to use any part of our templates, or you want to start completely from scratch, you can do that too. Add headlines, bullet points, videos, maps, icons, countdown timers, and so much more. Change them to look any way you like, or use any one of our 32 animation styles to make your pages really pop. Affiliate network integrations. Choose an offer from any of our connected networks and we'll specially code the links so that when a member activates your funnel, it automatically adds their affiliate links. There's nothing technical to puzzle out, just add your product or any affiliate product that you choose. We'll turn it into an affiliate link for members who can activate it and add it to their follow-up emails. If you need to update a link, like if a product that you're promoting isn't available for sales anymore, or you find something better that you'd like to recommend instead, then we've made that easy too. Simply update in your dashboard and we'll instantly update it on all of your pages and emails to redirect to your new link. But what about writing emails? We've made that easy too with our inbuilt email sequence templates. Instead of having to write a ton of emails, we've given you a collection of handcrafted templates for any mood, style, or requirement. When you want to deliver your download or add an affiliate promotion or connect with your audience using highly engaging storytelling emails, simply click to load the template and fill in the blanks. We've got a huge selection to choose from, so your subscribers will never get bored. You'll be able to see sales of your funnels add up on your funds page. And when you're ready to withdraw your earnings, send a request from your dashboard and we'll send it to your PayPal or bank account. When you list your funnel for sale in FunnelMates Marketplace, you can choose your price and get paid, or you can list it for free. Now, why would you make a funnel and then let other people use it for free? When a member activates a free funnel and gets subscribers, we'll add every one of those subscribers onto your own autoresponder. Connect with your favorite autoresponder using our one-click integrations or using Zapier and start seeing a constant flow of subscribers filling your own lists. When you log into your dashboard, you'll discover there's so much more than we were able to cover in this video, with new integrations, training videos, done-for-you modules, and new perks being added regularly. FunnelMates is the breakthrough in list building, automated affiliate income, and a real path to profits that you can see. Click the button below to create your account, but click it quick. This is a very time-limited promotion. FunnelMates is live and welcoming a lot of new members. It's a hustling, bustling community in our members area right now, buying, selling, and connecting in our members-only forums and live chat community. But I need to let you know that the longer you wait, the busier it's going to become, increasing our server costs and bumping you further down the line of people able to claim the all-important founders benefits that you get when any new community starts to really take off. As a result, we'll naturally have to remove some of the perks, very likely removing our cash entry bonus, and we'll definitely be increasing the price. If you leave this page, I can't guarantee this offer will still be available, but I can guarantee that right now is your chance to get the best deal you will ever see for FunnelMates Access. I highly recommend that you take action right now and take advantage of this while you still can. So if you can still see the buy button below, I recommend clicking it right now to secure your copy before it's too late. Click it now and I'll see you on the inside.